Hi, my name is Katy Reeve and I'm the National Creative Director for TONI&GUY in Australia, and we are here backstage at the opening show of Fashion Week.
So we're going to start with clean washed hair that can be dried naturally. We're going to use a water spray all the way through the roots just to move the hair away from the face. We're going to actually work through and blow dry the hair. We've gone for a medium-sized tong to create a bend and not a curl in the hair. We're not tonging for volume, we're tonging for shape. Remember, we're creating a bend in the hair, an S-bend, but we still want the ends to be very polished. We're going to use wax spray through the roots of the hair at the hairline. So lifting the hair away from the head, we're going to apply the wax spray through 1 inch at the hairline.